it, buddy. Get it, buddy. Get it. Get it. I wouldn't do that while he's barking. You might go after it. Alright, put it back down. We won't let him go after it. I can't get his face now. I want him back on the other side. Try and get Buddy back over there, baby.
Come on, Buddy. Come on.
He's okay. He's not going to jump up there. Let him go. And Briley's thinking, what in the world? Hello. Where's my sick girl? Where's Briley? Stop, leave him alone.